In Class 3A, from Madison, Alabama, the Bob Jones High School Patriots. The band director is Doyle Thornton. The principal is Robbie Parker. The superintendent is Dr. D. Fowler. Assistant director is Lee Thomas. Other staff members include Brian Barley, Jonathan Beavers, Brooke Howe, John Howe, Frank James, Sam James, Zach Melton, and Neely Smith. The drum majors are Matt Day, Hendrik Delano, and Ifioma Ugawebelu. Color guard captains are Mary Ellen and Olivia Schwartz.
Check, sound check. Got it. Okay. Camera one.
The show is entitled A Year in Review,
Sound check.
including selections from Old Lang Syne, L-O-V-E,
Sound check.
America the Beautiful, Stars and Stripes Forever,
Hall of Midnight.
Thriller,
Sound check.
Turkey in a Straw, Rodeo,
Sound check.
The Christmas Song,
Camera one.
and Carol of the Bells.
Sound check. Check.
Drum majors,
Camera one.
Matt Day, Hendrik Delano,
Sound check.
and Ifioma
Camera
Ugawebelu.
one.
Is your band ready?
Sound check. Live in 3, 2, 1.
Well, the moment has come, folks. Grab your loved ones and get ready to count down to the new year. You can feel the excitement in the air. Are you ready? The final seconds.
You may take the field.
3, 2, 1. Happy New Year! Those last minute gifts so you can show your Valentine a little L-O-V-E. Bravery, valor, commitment, and sacrifice. These words describe the countless number of men and women who have served in our armed forces and lost their lives in the process. Memorial Day, the day we stop, pause, and remember. Darkness falls across the land. The midnight hour is close at hand. Creatures crawl in search of blood to terrorize your neighborhood. And those who fight to stay alive, your body starts to shiver. It's the thriller! There's so much to enjoy. The Macy's parade, family time, and turkey. So get out your utensils and enjoy eating turkey, I guess. Time of year. Warm fires, presents, and good music. Let's take a listen to one of the most celebrated holiday anthems, Carol of the Bells.
The Bob Jones High School Patriots.